Hey YouTube, welcome back. I'm Roscoe. I had some friends over the other day and I was playing music through my Amazon Echo device and playing it out through my stereo that covers my whole house. And they asked how I was able to hook up my Amazon Echo device through my stereo system. It's really easy to do. All you need is the right cable to do it. The cable you will need, there's two ways to do it. You will need an auxiliary cable on one side. This is a 1/8 inch headphones jack. And then for your stereo, if you have a 1/8 inch headphones jack auxiliary input on your stereo, you can use an auxiliary cable that has this same jack on both ends. If you don't, if you have an older stereo like my Pioneer here, it's about 15 years old, then you'll need to use RCA cables. So I'll put a link for this particular cord right here down below. This is a 1/8 inch auxiliary cord on one side and the RCA cable on the other side. And I'll explain how to hook it up. To plug into any Amazon Echo or Alexa device, you need to plug your 1/8 inch auxiliary cord into the headphones jack located on the back of the device. You can use any input on your stereo, you just have to know which one it is. This one on the front of my stereo will be labeled video, so when I turn on my stereo, I'll have to find the video input. Your RCA cables are different colors. They're typically red for the right, and then the left one will either be black or white, depending on which cable you get. So for the right, red, and for the left, I'll have black. With the cables plugged in, you'll need to find the designated input on your stereo. Again, mine is labeled video, so I'll be searching for the video input on the stereo. Once you have it on video, you simply ask Alexa what you'd like to hear. Alexa, play music.
Here's a station you might like. Alternative Hits Radio on Amazon Music.
And that's how you hook up your Amazon Alexa device to your current stereo system. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.